Alejandra, also known as AZ Alex Glam, on my social medias. I'll make sure to leave them down below for you guys so you guys can check me out on there. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm so excited to record today. I'm actually just gonna jump right into it and start by using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. I've heard so many great things about this, so I finally purchased it myself. And honestly, it's amazing. I've tried it once actually. Any type of primers to blur my pores, I'm all in for. For foundation, I'll be using the Hourglass Vanish Thick in Bisque. Now this foundation I have tried once, and I must say I wasn't a huge fan of, and it is also a product that everyone and their moms talk about. So I'm gonna be giving this another try, and hopefully this time I fall in love with it. I don't know, I just feel like after a while it looks very cakey. So let me know what you guys think down below. And I'm gonna blend that with my beauty blender. As you guys know, if you guys watched my previous video, which I will link down below if you're interested in watching, I was sick, I'm pregnant, not a good combination. And I don't know exactly what it is, if it's sickness or allergies or both, but they're starting to come back again. And I don't know what it is with this pregnancy. I have the craziest nightmares. I don't understand why. So I feel like I don't even get enough sleep at night. Also, last week, my daughter had to be put to sleep. It was one of the scariest things that I've had to go through, watching your daughter. She's 4, by the way, being put to sleep because she had some dental work done, and I guess she wouldn't have been able to stay still for the procedure. So they did that to her, and you know, being pregnant, once again, you're an emotional wreck. So tears were coming, and thankfully she got through it. She's a strong girl. The day after her surgery, she woke up very, very sick as well. So that wasn't good. And then she got an ear infection, her first ear infection ever. She was crying, screaming. She threw up in the car on her way to the hospital. So all my attention has been with her or around the house. And I don't have a new concealer, so I'll just be using the same one that I always use, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I've been saying that I've been wanting to film a lot more, and I honestly do want to film like a lot more, but everything just seems to be getting in the way. I hope that doesn't happen anymore, but we never know what's gonna be headed our ways. And also my daughter, she's 4, so I did sign her up for preschool, not because I want to get rid of her. Like honestly, I feel like I'm gonna be so sad when she goes because she's with me 24/7, but I feel like she just needs to make new friends, explore, and you know, just have some time away from me. It's only going to be for 3 hours, so that's good. And she's so excited for her baby brother, which makes me so happy. I can't believe that I'll have my little boy and my little girl. Makes my life so complete. And then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I love the Too Faced Peach collection. It smells so bomb. And to contour, I'm gonna be using the LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. This is my first time using this product, so we'll see how well this works. It's actually not that bad. Like, it's not as pigmented as my typical bronzers, but the color is good, so I can always work with that. Just add a little bit more as I need. What do you guys think of this contour? I think it looks amazing. I'm so impressed with that product. This is the shade I use to bronze up, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this shade to contour and just put that in my hollows of my cheekbones. And I went ahead and grabbed a tinier brush to do my nose. I forgot to tell you guys that my daughter, she's had a loose tooth, which I don't know why. I feel like 4 years old is too young to lose your teeth, but she lost her tooth this weekend. She put it under her pillow, obviously, and the fairy godmother, not the fairy godmother, The Tooth Fairy brought her $2. She's been wanting some water balloons, so we took her to Walmart, and that's what she got, her water balloons. I was so shocked, but she was the one who pulled it out herself. I was too scared to. She just wiggled it out on her own. I just remember the day that she was born as well, which is so crazy to think. So if you have any children, cherish their every moment because they grow up way too fast. I still don't know what kind of eye look I want, but I know I will be using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. It was gifted to me by one of my lovely clients. So thank you, Jade, if you're watching this. I appreciate it so much. I'm gonna go in with Eden and apply that as my transition shade. By the way, guys, I wanted to ask you, what do you guys think of my hair? I haven't toned it or dyed it since last year. I think it was in December or something. I love my blonde hair, but it's just so much to keep up with. So I don't know if I should just let my roots grow out all the way and then cut it, or if I should just not do anything with it, just let it grow out and tone it, or go lighter, which I don't want to do, but I love the color. Like that ashy color that Gabby gives me is so fire. Like if that can stay on me forever, I would be the happiest girl in the world. But what do you guys think? Maybe I'll post some pictures here so you guys can see what you like, dark or light, or somewhere in between like I am now. Just go and fix it. That's the struggle with my hair right now. So this foundation is actually looking pretty good today. I am not sure why I didn't like it the first time. That's why sometimes first impressions are not that great, because maybe you just have a bad skin day, or I don't know, some random thing happens that day and you don't like the foundation, but once you try it again you end up loving it. So I'll keep you guys updated on this one. I do plan on doing a favorite foundation video. I have a lot of videos in mind for you guys, but let me know down below what you guys want to see. So I think I'm gonna go with a more natural look today. So far I am loving this color. It gets so bomb. And then I'm gonna go in with this smaller brush right here and go into amber and place that in the crease. Also, if you guys want to see a pregnancy update, right now I'm on my second trimester, which I feel like hasn't helped much. It's helped some, like I don't feel nauseous as much. If you guys want a separate video on that, I will do it for you guys. Even though I am a makeup channel, I do enjoy watching other people talk about their pregnancies. So let a mama know. So I'm gonna go in with Ode. I think that's how you say it, OUD, and deepen up the crease a little bit. I promise it's not gonna be as dramatic as some of my other looks. Which, thank you guys for the love on all my recent posts. Aside from makeup being my passion, like you guys inspire me and motivate me to create more looks and more content for you guys. So I'm gonna grab Cosmo with my finger or with the brush. I'm not sure how well these apply yet. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna need some glitter glue, but let's try it out. For those of you who have been contacting me regarding makeup appointments, I will be available for, hold on, I feel like I can't multitask right now. Wow, that looks so stunning. Oh my gosh. So this is gonna become my like everyday palette, because I already see all the possible looks you can do with this, and warm tones I feel like complement a lot of people. It did have a little bit of fallout, but honestly it doesn't stick onto the face. While I do my eyeliner, let's see if I can talk again. For my clients who have been contacting me about makeup appointments, when I'll be starting to do them again, or if you can schedule your appointment, I am taking clients until September and then again in November. I do have some appointments already scheduled for after I deliver my baby, which my due date is October 7th or 8th. I don't remember. It's the Monday. By the way, this is the Balm Schwing Black Liquid Eyeliner. I used to not be a fan of liquid liners, but this one's honestly so easy to use and so black that I have been loving it so far. And I honestly don't want to overwork myself after I give birth, but I do love taking clients. It's such an honor for me to do someone's makeup for their special event, special day. So I do plan on going back to work kind of soon. With my daughter, I went back to work after 2 weeks after I had her. I was working at the tax office, which some of you guys might know that I worked at a tax office for a lot of years, and I breastfed her. So I was lucky enough to have my own little space at work. She would just lay next to me, sleep most of the day, and then I would breastfeed her whenever she got hungry. So that was very, very fortunate of me to have, that kind of schedule and that type of like I was able to do that. And now with this baby, makeup appointments are usually on the weekends, and I could not overbook myself, get a couple clients and have feedings in between or pump, because I do plan on breastfeeding as well for this little boy. So let's get on to the lashes, I guess, because I'm still not done. I'll be using the Ardell Studio FX 231. They look like this. What are you guys doing this summer? I know I'm probably just gonna be in the pool all day, honestly, because we have a pool, 1, and 2, it gets so hot here in Arizona, probably like 120 degrees, which is a living hell, but we deal with it here. Maybe one day I'll move somewhere where it's not as hot, but for now, that's what we deal with. This is my first time wearing these lashes, and they look so pretty. I forgot to apply some mascara beforehand, but I'll go ahead and do that after. I'm going to be applying my Scuba Water Resistant Black Mascara from the Balm Cosmetics. Pretty. And to finish off this look, I'm going to be taking my Gerard Cosmetics 1995 liquid lipstick. I honestly have not tried Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, but I have tried this color when Gerard, I think it was when they barely came out with their lipsticks that were like in this packaging, their bullet ones. And to finish this look, I'm going to be taking Too Faced Peach Mist mattifying setting spray. I got this little mini bottle and I have not used it, so we'll see how well this works. It smells so good, so good, so good. This is the completed look. Honestly, my type of colors, my type of makeup look. If you guys want to see more pictures of this makeup look, I'll make sure to post some on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me on there. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys really enjoyed this type of chit chat, get ready with me makeup looks. I was all over the place, but don't blame me. This is my first chit chat get ready with me look, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that big thumbs up if you did. Leave me any comments down below, and I will see you guys next time.